Okay, hello subbies, I'm back with yet another video. Today is going to be about Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. Okay, I'm just going to be unboxing and showing you. It's already raggedy, got scissors for no reason, but yeah, so I'm gonna try to make this video kind of short, not too lengthy. I just want to show you guys some of the things that I thought were, you know, worth having. So let's get into it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when I'm uploading the video. Okay. Who else shopped on the sale? Because I know if you like me, love Victoria's Secret. Okay, so this is just a tee. It's a small, you know that t-shirts get so big. It says, "You got this." Yes, it's 2020. Be positive. Receipts. Just in case I gotta take some back. Okay, let's see what else. So, how's everyone's 2020 going so far? We have so many sales at the end of the year and the beginning of the year. It's ridiculous, but hey, I fell for it. So, this is a onesie, and it's got peaches on it. And I'm from Georgia, so that was definitely a no-brainer. Okay, what are these? Online they have so many different things. That's what I like about shopping online. These are just some socks. Some marshmallow crew socks. Come in this cute little box. It's really like a stocking stuffer for someone because it says "to and love," like to and from, so yeah. Of course I got some underwear, but I won't be showing those. Okay, here's another onesie. I got a size large, and I think a medium would have done the job, but I didn't want to be too sure. And the back says "chilliest rapper." Oh, Victoria's Secret be coming up with some sayings. Rapper with a W, you know? You get it? Yeah, okay, you get it. And I love the plaid because I want to do family photos. Family photos. Okay, so the next item is a Good Hair Days Ahead. It's a towel. So, yay! This one has a button on it. Why is there a button on it? Oh, I guess when you pull it up, you can like wrap it around. I'm not sure. I have two of these already and it doesn't have a button, so that's why I'm kind of confused. So you know how to use this contraption? Somebody let me know below. But yeah, this is super cute. That's my baby in the background. We had her 2-month appointment today and it went so well. I'm so proud of her. She got her shots and she did amazing. And she has grown a lot. They grow up so fast. Okay, so I got some pants. These are a medium. This box is in the way. I got some pants. These are pink, my favorite color. And it has a little tan or creamish stripe on the sides of them. So cute. I got these in a medium. Clothes fit so big. I don't know why. I knew that, but hey, I just had her and I just wanted to not be too sure. So I was like, let me just be safe. Okay. Next up, so Hot Girl Summer 20 19 was full of neon green. Do you hear me? Okay, yes. And I'm a little late, but I just thought it was cute. It's a little hood beauty. It says pink on it. You can't see it, but it's so cute. So cute. You can barely see the pink even closer. There we go. Pink. So cute in my nails. Yay. Okay, so oh, I cannot wait, ladies. So of course, I might say it in every video because, you know, I don't know if this will be your first time seeing my video or what. So it's very cold. Well, they say it gets very cold in Korea. It's not been so bad so far, so hey. But I got this scarf. It's so cute. And hey, don't judge me. Oh, it's kind of stuck together, you know. Yeah, it's very colorful, but the model wore it very well, so I'm thinking I can pull it off too. I have a trench coat, and I'm just thinking it'd be perfect. You know, I don't have to worry about what shoes I can wear with it. It just have every color in it, so that's pretty much why I got it. It's so cute. It's fluffy. Let's see, I can pull it apart real quick. I don't want to fray it though. Let's see. Let's see. You get the picture though. Look, very colorful. As you can see, it's thick, you know, but I don't have a scarf like this. I have like an infinity type scarf. Two of them, by the way, there's two different colors. So I just think this would be so cute. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, so don't judge me right now, but I just think it'd be so freaking cute. I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. These thoughts I can make. I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. Probably not like this. I don't know. How does it look? But anyway, I just think it's super cute, and we're gonna see. It goes with this. It's not the exact kind of color, but you know, make it fun, cute and fun. That's what I was going for. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Yes, it says best peach. I cannot wait to wear these. I hope I got a large. I got a medium. So I got a medium in these and a large in the other pants. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand. These are so cute. It's mesh at the bottom. So cute. Yes. Let me know if y'all want me to do an actual try-on haul. I'm just doing like an unboxing because, yeah, I just want to get this video up. It's the beginning of the year. People are doing their semi-annual sale shopping, and I just wanted to, you know, share what I got. And last but not least, is she okay? Show my baby okay. Okay, this says Love Pink. Kind of sparkly, not too sparkly. I got these in the medium as well. Yeah, these look good. And so usually their pants are so expensive, and I paid they were like $20 for all of these pants. These might have been 25 or something. I think, you know how they do like the whole outfit for 40 or 2 for something? They were 2 for something, so I got one, but it was 20 something, but that's not bad. I just don't like spending $50. I don't care if I do have an Angel card. No. Never spend what you don't have to. Because you have it. I don't care if the limit is $5,000. Don't spend $5,000, $4,000. Stay, you know, below budget, not over budget. You know, indulge, but not too much. Hold on, I think I got some lip gloss because who doesn't like lip gloss? Lip gloss already. Okay, this is glitter gloss sparkling lip oil. That's what it says. I cannot wait to open this. It has one of those little things on it and it's hard to open, so but I got to get close to the camera. Hey. This is so freaking pretty. I wonder how it looks on. Let me see if I can get this open, so I can at least show you how it looks. But I love Victoria's Secret's lip line for the most part. I have a couple actually. I think I have like a butter something. I don't know. They're all mostly pink. I have a nude. Nude is... Hi. This girl thinks she can talk. She's been talking up a storm today too. Okay, so I can get this open. Boom! Got it open. So, hey girl. Hey girl. Hey, you want some lip gloss? I can't even open these. Where open these? Oh, I got it. Okay. I never seen the applicator look like this. Let's see how it looks. A little bit too close to the camera. So let's see. So I think it's literally just a gloss, but if it's sophisticated funk sparkling lip oil. So this is the color, but I thought it was like a regular gloss because it just says glitter gloss. Glitter gloss. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So it's pretty much just a regular lip gloss. But it's cute though. Very, very cute. Okay, so that, voila, pretty much concludes this video. Okay, I don't know how that looks. Okay, maybe it's better. Let's see. Yeah, so that pretty much concludes the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know what was your favorite piece, or what did you get? Did you even shop the sale, or where did you shop? You know, what are the best beginning of the year, end of year places to shop at? Because honestly, the places I used to shop at is just like getting old, and I am looking for some new places because I'm, you know, I won't name any names, but everyone just, you know, sells the same things. But Victoria's Secret is authentic, and you know, it's just, I love it. It's so girly girl and pink, and it's so me, and I love it. You know, I order most of my underwear from them, so you know, they get the rest of my monies. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm gonna do another video on clothes, and I'm gonna do a haul on that one, but that'll be coming out soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. Ooh, anything y'all want to add? No? Sure.